In this example, we're asked to simplify m to the 3/4 power times n to the negative 1/4 power divided by the quantity m squared n raised to the 1/2 power. The first thing we'll do is we'll simplify our numerator, we'll simplify our denominator, and then we'll divide last. We're going to simplify the denominator by using the product of power rule. And just recall that the product of power rule is a raised to the power m, all raised to the power n, is a to the m times n. So I'll apply this formula in the denominator. So our numerator remains the same. So on my denominator, m squared raised to the 1/2 power, I'll multiply 2 times 1/2, and I have m to the first power, and my first power here is understood. And n, which is raised to the understood first power, times the 1/2, I have n to the 1/2 power. Next, I'll use the quotient of powers rule, and the quotient of power rule states that a to the m divided by a to the n is a to the m minus n. So I shall apply this with my m and n variable. So I'm going to apply that to my variable m. I now have m to the 3/4 power minus the understood 1 times n to the negative 1/4 power minus 1/2. Next, we'll simplify. I have m to the 3/4 minus 1, and I'll rewrite 1 with the denominator of 4. So that now becomes 4/4 times n to the negative 1/4 power minus 2/4, which is 1/2, with a denominator of 4. So now we'll simplify m to the 3/4 minus 4/4, and now we'll simplify our expression. So we have m to the negative 1/4 times n to the negative 3/4. We want to write our result with positive exponents, so we'll use the negative exponent rule. And the negative exponent rule states a to the negative n is equal to 1 over a raised to the positive power of n. So that will allow us to rewrite m to the negative 1/4 times n to the negative 3/4 as 1 over m to the positive 1/4 times n to the positive 3/4. And now we'll enter this result into Course Compass. So first I'll put in the main fractional bar, and in the numerator I'm going to put in 1. And now I'll put in m to the 1/4 power, so I'll put in my base m. I'll use the exponent key. My exponent is a fraction, so now I'll use the fraction key. I'm going to enter in 1/4. I'm going to hit my forward arrow once. I'm going to hit it twice. I'm going to now put in n raised to the 3/4 power. So my base is n. I'm now going to put in my exponent 3/4 power. So I'll use the exponent key. My exponent is a fraction, so I'll use the fraction key. And now I'll enter 3/4.